Today we talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down, click here on library down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on bandwidth phone number. Just click on it. So then you come to next step here. Add here your phone number. And here you add your verification code. And here app password. And here enter password. Then you click on done. Then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.